मॉर्निंग चलो वेलकम टू एवरीबॉडी। हम लोग का जो समर वेकेशन है वी हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम टुडे ओनली, राइट। सो मे बी यूट्यूब फ्रेंड्स को ये वीडियोस आपको चैनल पर 2 or 3 days आफ्टर, बिकॉज लाइफ शेड्यूल इज़ वेरी हाई। सो फर्स्ट सेशन मैं ले रही हूँ एंड इट इज़ अ सेशन फॉर क्लास 8 and 9, and moreover in this session I will represent the GK part. Other faculties will represent different parts, right? So let's start, and very warm welcome, and surely we will learn something beta, and moreover we will enjoy it, right? जब आप स्टडी enjoy के साथ करते हो तो वो याद रहता है आपको, वो पेन नहीं लगता, वो हार्ड वर्क का एक सफरिंग जैसा फील नहीं आता, राइट? सो in today's session we will discuss about the incredible India, right? What we will discuss incredible India, and moreover many at the level of you. See, our India is so vast that it can't be explained, right, in single session or maybe in a week also. So for that only, up to your level, I have a brief preparation, right? I have a brief preparation so that I can make you know the most important things in the upper level, right? But whatever I make you explain, it will be definitely at the standards of class 12 students, believe it. But for that you have to make remember everything, and even I told everybody how to make your memory sharp, how to make you more active in the WhatsApp group only of the registered students, right? So let's start. First is what? Incredible India, and the duration will be 40 to 45 minutes. What are the objective of this session? Is that identify all the states and capitals. See, we always know the northern states most of the time, and the middle of the right, central states. But whenever we go to the northeast or whenever we go to the south, we mixture everything, and even for northeast we don't know. There are so many set of students who don't know at the level of their competitive exam level preparations. Okay, so for that reason only we will go through by the entire states, how many states are there, their capitals, then union territories, right? But in that also we will explain the symbols, okay, national symbols. सिर्फ तिरंगा या अशोक चक्र ही नहीं, there are so many fruits, games, birds, everything is there which signifies our nationality, right? हमारे राष्ट्रीयता की पहचान है जो उसके symbols. Next, I will make you know about the Indian monuments and World Heritage Sites that has been uh, stated by UNESCO. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now for the Union of States, as per I am giving the data of 2025, right? 2025, we have 28 states, 8 union territories. See, what are the union territories? Union territories are just governed directly or partially by central government, right? Central government. Nowadays, in central there is BJP government, and Prime Minister is Mr. Modi, right? But in what are about the 28 states, each has its own elected government. उनका अपना elected government होता है, and they have their chief minister and all the authorities, right? So what are these states? See, we will do some activities of filling maps and all that. Okay, so map filling is very important part. Map filling is very important part. So I will make you learn कैसे मैप फिल होता है. I will make you learn कैसे मैप से जोग्राफी को याद किया जाता है. इवन आई से एवरीबडी इन माई क्लास ऑल्सो फॉर कॉम्पिटेटिव लेवल एग्जाम्स स्टूडेंट्स कि मैप जो होता है हमेशा आपको जोग्राफी को लर्न करने, मेमोराइज करने और उसको एक्टिव बनाए रखने के लिए हेल्प करता है. So maps are very important things. Maps are really very important things. Okay. Now let's start from very first. Very first is what? Very first is what? Andhra Pradesh, beta. Andhra Pradesh. Okay. See, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh capital is Amravati. Where is this Andhra Pradesh? Andhra Pradesh is here. Okay. Next is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is here, northeast side. Then Assam. Assam is here. Then Bihar is here. छत्तीसगढ़ सी आई गिव यू अ लिस्ट कि कब कौन सा स्टेट्स बना है. ओके, दे आर सो मेनी स्टेट्स जैसे जो कि रिसेंटली अभी के बॉन्ड बच्चों के सामने बना है, और मे बी सम 90s बॉन्ड पर. ओके, 90s 2000s, दे आर सो मेनी स्टेट्स फॉर्म. सो वी विल डिस्कस दैट ऑल्सो. इवन दिस इज़ अ न्यू थिंग फॉर यू ऑल ऑल्सो कि आप ये कह सकते. सी, ऑलवेज हैव चिक चैट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स फॉर मूड फ्रेश. it's some factual data, it's some logics, right? No need to unnecessary discussion. When you do unnecessary discussion, that means you are eating your brain capacity, your memory capacity. So no need to be silent, be silent. Then only you can analyze things. Now, what is your Bihar? Bihar is here. Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh, tell me where is Chhattisgarh? See your map and just find it. Okay, so we will start by one everything, so that you will make remember, right? You can take remembrance of everything. सी हम लोग इस क्लास के बाद कैसे मैप फिल करते हैं, एक एक्टिविटी भी पुट आउट करेंगे, सो कि आपको याद रहे कैसे मैप्स फिल किया जाता है। और बिलीव मी, आई डू एवरीथिंग बाय माई हैंड। सी, अगर आप अपने हाथ से निकालोगे, जैसे मैथ्स में कहा जाता है बेटा कि आप अपने हाथ से मैथ्स निकालोगे तब जाके आपको मैथ्स आएगा, तब जाके फ्लुएंसी बनती है। ठीक है, सिमिलरली मैप फिलिंग ऑल्सो, आपको किसी भी शॉप में मैप मिल जाएगा। वी विल लर्न हाउ टू फिल द वर्ल्ड मैप ऑल्सो इन दिस समर इंटर्नशिप, सो दैट व्हेन यू प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम योर चाइल्डहुड ना, आपको बड़े होकर कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल के लिए पूरा दिन रात नहीं लगाना पड़ता। ओके, सो सी, आंध्र प्रदेश की अमरावती है कैपिटल। सो वेयर इज दिस आंध्र प्रदेश? हेयर। ओके, आंध्र प्रदेश इज हेयर। नाउ अरुणाचल प्रदेश, अरुणाचल प्रदेश इज दिस पार्ट, this entire part is your Arunachal Pradesh. Now next is Assam. Assam का दिसपुर है and Assam is your this part, this part very important. This is the northeast, right? This is also northeast, this is also northeast. Now what I am saying about Bihar. Bihar is here. See, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand all were together, but then your this thing is in apart. So I will make you know कि आपका कब कौन से ईयर में ये सारे पार्टीशंस हुए, इवन उत्तराखंड ऑल्सो, राइट? देन छत्तीसगढ़, छत्तीसगढ़ का रायपुर है एंड छत्तीसगढ़ इज हेयर, छत्तीसगढ़। ओके, गोवा, गोवा इज पणजी एंड गोवा इज अ वेरी स्मॉल स्टेट। ओके, वेरी स्मॉल स्टेट। देन गुजरात, गुजरात इज हेयर, गुजरात इज हेयर। देन हरियाणा, हरियाणा कैपिटल इज छत्तीसगढ़, सो हरियाणा इज योर हेयर, हेयर कैपिटल इज चंडीगढ़। हिमाचल प्रदेश, हिमाचल प्रदेश इज हेयर, वेट, this one is your Himachal Pradesh, upper side. Jharkhand, Jharkhand is here. Ranchi is the capital. Karnataka, Karnataka is Bangalore. This is Karnataka and the capital is Bangalore. Now Kerala, Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. See, this one is Kerala and its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Now moving to the next. Now next is what? Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh is here. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Now next is your Maharashtra. Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. This one. Then next is your Manipur. Manipur is also your northeastern state and capital is Manipur is, see, here is Manipur. This one. This one is Manipur. Okay, and the capital is Imphal. Then Meghalaya. See, from class 4th only you start learning the states and their states capital. Okay, from class 4th. And see, I am give you this internship program at class 8 and 9. But be loyal to yourself. You don't still remember the capitals. Okay, so that's why I'm saying when you learn by filling the maps, then only you can make it remember. Manipur is Impal. Meghalaya is Shillong. Meghalaya is also your northeast. Then Mizoram. Mizoram as well. So Mizoram is your this one and it's as well. Nagaland is Kohima. See, Nagaland is this one and it's Kohima. Then Odisha. Odisha is Bhubaneswar. This is your Odisha and this is your Bhubaneswar. Then Punjab is Chandigarh. Punjab. This one is your Punjab and Chandigarh. Even for Haryana also Chandigarh is the capital. Now let your Rajasthan. Rajasthan is Jaipur and Rajasthan is here and it's Jaipur. Sikkim. Sikkim is Gangtok. Then this is a small part and it's called Sikkim and Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu is Chennai. So this is your Tamil Nadu and this is your Chennai. Then Telangana is Hyderabad. Can you make me know where is Telangana and where is Hyderabad? See, this here we have distributions of Telangana. See, this thing is distributed, okay? For what? Your Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Sorry, Hyderabad and Telangana. Right? Why I am saying, why I show you this map? I show you this map that this entire one is distributed now. This entire one is distributed now, and I will show you next map where I can show two different parts. Right? I will show you two different parts. Now see, I make you show what is the difference. See, I told you just right now कि आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, राइट? सो सी, नाउ आफ्टर जब ये टूटा तो यहाँ पर इतना सा स्टेट बस आपका आंध्र प्रदेश रह गया एंड इतना सा स्टेट आपका टूट के तेलंगाना बन गया. सो हैदराबाद गोज टू तेलंगाना एंड अमरावती गोज टू आंध्र प्रदेश. Now you got it. So where is my Madhya Pradesh? My Madhya Pradesh is here. My Maharashtra is here. My Manipur, Imphal is here. Mizoram is as well is here. Then Nagaland. Your Nagaland is here with Kohima, and then Odisha is here with Bhubaneswar. Then Punjab. See, Punjab and your Haryana both have capital as Chandigarh only. Then Rajasthan is Jaipur. Sikkim is Gangdong. Sikkim is also very small over here. Then Tamil Nadu is this, okay. And Tamil Nadu is capital is what? Chennai. Then Telangana. Now I will say you this one is Telangana with Hyderabad. Tripura is also here, okay. This is this small part. This is Tripura, and the capital is Agartala. Then Uttar Pradesh, initially Uttar Pradesh was the biggest, then Uttarakhand divided. So right now Rajasthan is the biggest state, okay, in India. So Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. You got it what I want to say you, right? Now next is your Uttarakhand and West Bengal. See, Uttarakhand and West Bengal are also very important part. Why? Because see, initially you when we discuss about the Indian history part, right? West Bengal plays a very good part, because that time I will make you explain about the modern India, not the medieval India or very past India, right? Ancient India. I will make you explain about the modern India. So then you will know what is the role played by West Bengal, Bihar, then Uttar Pradesh, right? All these centers. Then for this one, Rajasthan, what they played role in Rajasthan. All these are very significant roles, right? But for Uttarakhand is right now where its capital is Dehradun, and West Bengal is here whose capital is Kolkata, right? But when we are stating about the union territories, Hmm? When we are stating about the union territories, how many union territories? We have 4 union territories. Sorry, 8 union territories, and union territories are directly governed by your central government or partial, right? Such as Andaman and Nicobar. Nicobar is here, and its capital is Port Blair. What is Port Blair? Then Chandigarh. Chandigarh is also the capital of these two states, that is Punjab and Haryana, but it is also a union territory. Then Dadra, Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu. See, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu. All these are your union territories, and the capital is Daman. What is the capital? Daman. Keep in remember, बड़ों को भी ये चीज़ याद नहीं रहती है. Daman. Delhi is also a national capital of India. Okay, then Jammu and Kashmir. Where is Jammu and Kashmir? This is Jammu and Kashmir, right? So Jammu and Kashmir, I have two important districts over here, that is Srinagar and Jammu. Okay, then Ladakh capital is Leh, Lakshadweep and Puducherry we have here, and Lakshadweep we have where? Tell me. Lakshadweep we have this, and Kavarati is capital. It is capital. Okay, now you will ask where is Thiruvananthapuram? Thiruvananthapuram for this one better. Thiruvananthapuram is this one. Kerala's capital. Okay. Okay. So this map states very important about factors that 28 states and 8 union territories. They are very important, and always keep in mind. So those who are registered, I will make you know how to fill the maps, how to remember, and believe me, from today onwards you never forget these states. Okay, let's move forward. See, just right now I told you to when the states and capitals and found on, मीन्स कब वो स्टेट्स बना, कब या टूटा, एक स्टेट से ही टूटा या कब बना, उसकी सारी डिटेल्स आई विल शेयर विद यू, राइट? सो आंध्र प्रदेश अमरावती, ठीक है, आंध्र प्रदेश की कैपिटल अमरावती, और ये बनी 1956 में. अरुणाचल प्रदेश की कैपिटल है ईटानगर, और ये बनी 87 में. असम की दिसपुर बनी आपकी 1950 में. 1950 मीन्स ये आपका कौन सा डे है? रिपब्लिक डे. राइट? बिहार का पटना 1912 में बना. छत्तीसगढ़, आई टोल्ड यू ना, छत्तीसगढ़ पहले सब बिहार में अटैच था, देन छत्तीसगढ़ बना. सो छत्तीसगढ़ बना आपका 1 नवंबर 2000 में, रायपुर, ठीक है. गोवा इज़ 87, गुजरात 1960, हरियाणा आपका 1966. दीज स्टेट्स फॉर्म आफ्टर योर 1947, even many are formed after 1950 also. I hope you got my answer, and these things will more clear when I will make you know about the modern Indian history, right? So Shimla, Himachal Pradesh is Shimla, and this is your Himachal Pradesh, and here is your Shimla. It formed in 1971. When? 1971. Now next is your Jharkhand and Ranchi. Tell me Jharkhand and Ranchi. Tell me something about Jharkhand and Ranchi. See, it is also formed in 2000. 2006. I told you na, this Bihar has broke up in this and this. So Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand was previously a part of Bihar. ये दोनों previously part किसके थे? बिहार के part थे. Then Karnataka, Bangalore 1956, 56, 56. All three form in 56. That is Karnataka, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. You can align them as a south, but this one is your central. Okay, so it is in central India, and these two are in South India, southern part of India. Maharashtra is 1960, Manipur 72, Meghalaya 72, Mizoram 87, Nagaland 93, Odisha 1950. This is also your Republic time, Republic Day. Then Punjab 66, Rajasthan in 56. Rajasthan in 56. And still, I'm feeling very proud that I'm living in such a state कि जो पहले बना था अब तक राजस्थान वैसा का वैसा ही है. Means till yet Rajasthan not broke और not acquired anything. हम जैसे थे हम आज भी वैसे हैं. हमने ना कुछ कोई स्टिक्स दिया है और ना हमने कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट लिया है. Right. So next is your Sikkim. See, next is your Sikkim and it is 75, Tamil Nadu 50. See, this is also, I told you, recent one, Telangana, Hyderabad 2014. See, this 2000, just 11 years now. Now it is 72, that is Tripura, Uttar Pradesh 1950, Uttarakhand 2000, right? I told you, initially Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand were the same part but then divided. This is the date, right? West Bengal in 56. West Bengal in 1956. So this is your entire, and I explained when they are formed. Now next slide will show you about the symbols. Beta, symbols are very important. Why? Because symbols are very important. Why? Because you will know that small details. Not only it is symbol doesn't mean कि आप सिर्फ national flag जानो, national anthem जानो, national emblem जानो, national animal जानो. आपके पास पूरा का पूरा गुच्छा है. आपके पास नेशनल कैलेंडर है, आपके पास गेम है, आपके पास रिवर है, फ्रूट है, ट्री है, फ्लावर है, बर्ड है, सब कुछ है आपके पास. सो यू शुड नो. First, as an Indian, you should know what is your India, symbols of India, states of India, districts of India, every minute level person, signified person, scientist of India, every signified person you should know. Okay, so first a flag, we know that it is called Tiranga, saffron, white, green and Ashok Chakra. It contains national anthem is Janaganaman by Rabindranath Tagore, but national song is Vande Mataram, that Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. See, I will make you know that there was an era जब हमारे पास शस्त्र नहीं थे, जब हमारे पास इतने हथियार नहीं थे कि हम ब्रिटिश के साथ लड़ पाए. ठीक है, और ना ही हमारे पास इतनी सेना थी, हमारे पास आर्थिक कमी थी बहुत. वी वॉज वेरी लोअर स्टेट. बट एट दैट एरा देयर वॉज सो मैनी पोएट्स, सो मैनी राइटर्स. दे स्टिल हमारे भीतर की जो आत्मा है उसको देश के प्रति, स्वाधीनता के प्रति और आज़ादी के प्रति इतना जागरूक रखा था अपनी कविताओं के सहारे, अपनी लेखन कला के सहारे. सो वन इन दैट वाज बंकिम चंद्र चैटर्जी. And Bankim Chandra Chatterjee write the our national song Vande Mataram. Right? National emblem is lion's capital of a chakra. Contain 4 lines, not 3 lines. Okay, it contain 4 lines, and 4 lines have the different meaning. Okay, it also contain animals also. So your homework, tell me the animals contained in your national emblem, and we will discuss it tomorrow class. First thing, then only we will move forward for the session. National animal is Royal Bengal tiger. National bird is Indian peacock. National flower is lotus. National tree is banyan tree, bargat ka ped. National fruit is mango that we get in summer season. National river is Ganga. National currency is Indian rupee. Indian rupee. It is written like this way. Now national calendar is Saka calendar. Okay. National game unofficially also hockey. In cricket is not our national game. Although cricket have popularity, but cricket is not our national game. It is hockey. Okay. Next I will say the world's monuments and UNESCO World Heritage. Right? Why I discuss this thing? Because जब आपको लगे कि आपको बाहर जाना है, first make learn your kids our own India. ठीक है. uh, since nowadays India is growing, right? So for that reason make your kids know about this. So I am very thankful for your parents that they make you join the summer internship rather than singing, dance. See, I am not criticizing of any kind of arts, or I am not criticizing of any kind of knowledge. Okay, do everything, but at least you should know for give some time for your own country, for knowledge of your own identity. Okay, so unless you don't know your own identity, then other things doesn't matter what you know or what, because whenever you want to stand in front of others, first you have to represent your personality only, right? सबसे पहले आपको अपनी पर्सनालिटी दिखानी है, अपनी लॉयल्टी अपने ऊपर दिखानी है, then only you can show other things, right? So UNESCO World Heritage Sites of India as a Taj Mahal, we know that it is in Uttar Pradesh, it is cultural. Then Qutub Minar in Delhi, Sun Temple in Konark, Odisha. Konark Temple, this is Sun Temple. There are so many names, and you can see the entire thing of Konark Temple. I will suggest visit once. Ajanta Arola Caves that is situated in Maharashtra. Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Kaziranga for one horn, right? One horn rhino. Western Ghats of Maharashtra to Kerala. See, whenever you draw the Indian maps, na, this is your Western Ghats. This is your Western Ghats. Okay, so Western Ghats are very important. So it is also natural heritage, right? Mahabalipuram temples in Tamil Nadu, Red Fort in Delhi, Rani Ki Vav in stepwells. Actually, it is a kind of stepwells. See why we need in stepwells. The person who are registered here for from Rajasthan, they very well know about stepwells, right? बावड़ी, जिसे हम बावड़ी कहते हैं. और stepwells क्यों? Because of water. ठीक है, वाटर डिपोजिशन के लिए, वाटर कलेक्शन के लिए. So stepwells, then Jaipur, pink city of Rajasthan, right? We know that. So now what you will do? See, I have get some facts and for you that India freed at 15 August, that we all know. The constitution came effect 26 January 1950, that is Republic Day, and we saw so many states get identified. Then who is B.R. Ambedkar? B.R. Ambedkar is the father of constitution, or so many people call architect of constitution. प्रारूप समिति, ओके, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन या हमारे संविधान को बनाने की बहुत सारे समितियां बनी थी, मेन सेक्शंस बने थे. आपके लेवल पर आप इतना जानो कि सेक्शंस बने थे, और उस प्रारूप समिति का जो फ्रेमिंग का जो हेड था वो था आपके डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर. Then Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of your home, President of India, and nowadays who is the President? Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Now we have officially languages as per 8th schedule of constitutions. There are 22 languages. 22 languages. Okay, 22 languages are officially are the Indian languages, and it is said as per the 8th schedule of your constitution. Right? Our constitutions have different parts and different schedules. Okay, so for internship program of class 11, I make them know this thing. Okay, thank you. But we will revise something now. We will revise it so that it keep in memory of yours. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Dispur, Itanagar, Agartala, Shillong. Yes. National, just write in the text box, na, your answer. I will see everybody's answer. The national flower of India, of course, it is lotus. Which union territory has Port Blair as its capital? Andaman and Nicobar. Taj Mahal located in which state? Uttar Pradesh. National anthem of India is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Good. Now matching. Matching is what? Column state and their capital. Maharashtra's is Mumbai. So one is B. Then Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chennai is in C. Then Rajasthan is Jaipur. A. Assam. Assam का बताओ. दिस पर. ठीक है. E. गुजरात का गांधीनगर. D. Not अहमदाबाद. हाँ, आधे अहमदाबाद बोलते रहते हैं, but not अहमदाबाद. गांधीनगर is the capital of your Gujarat. The national tree of India, banyan tree. India has dash states and dash 8 and 28. Lion capital of Ashoka is the what? National emblem. National emblem. Okay, the dash river is known for national river Ganga. National fruit is mango. Right? So these are your some. Now next is what? Next is what? Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal name is what? Located. Where it is located? It is located in Uttar Pradesh. Qutub Minar, Delhi, Sun Temple, Odisha. Now see, I have already stated the blank maps. You have to fill all these. And for project work, I will make you know this thing: animals or bird, famous monuments or festival of India, or traditional food or dress. Then map location, draw and paste. You will show me this homework every time. After going to home, you will do these works, these and this. Okay, it is very interesting. Tell your mama to bring these maps and little bit file kind of activity, so that you know, whenever you do by your own hands na beta, then only you learn, then only you can keep in your mind, then it's just settle down your memory. Okay, so next sessions, next subject topic sessions will be taken by different faculty. Thank you, meet you tomorrow.